And this is the association since 71 are working regarding primary education. And our members also affected. And my appeal also admitted on 27th of July 2023.
July 23.
23. This is my submission.
My lord, may I permitted to mention one CAN application I have filed with addition of the party MAT numbers 873 that may be included with this.
Yes, Mr. Tiwari. You are appearing for the writ petitioners.
For some of the writ petitioners.
Some means which ones?
I have mentioned the numbers in my written notes on allotment.
Notes.
Will you be citing documents from this 873?
873 and one CAN application being CAN 9.
You are some of the writ petitioners and applicants in
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 CANs.
now you were in those scans were also for addition of party.
Check mail.
So you wanted addition at par with the writ. You are similarly situated with
the writ petition.
Yes,
my lord. In 2016 recruitment process, my lord, let us understand the vacancy first. There were
similarly situated with Priyanka.
No. But vacancy in 2016 recruitment process, vacancy were divided in two categories. One is earmarked and other one is non-earmarked. Within the earmarked category,
earmarked, non-earmarked?
I'm describing. Within earmarked category, PH, physically handicapped, ex-servicemen, para-teachers and exempted are there. And in non-earmarked category, general, SC, ST, OBC, OBC-B are there. General means unreserved. General reservation is not there. General seats means unreserved. Unreserved, ST reserved, ST reserved, OBC-A reserved, OBC-B reserved. That is non-earmarked.
Where do we get that?
From the advertisement itself. Madam.
That is 29th of you are referring to 26 September 2016.
Yes, Manoj. But why what I'm saying is, Manoj, for PH,
please give us a copy.
But I'm giving, Manoj. I'm giving. Well, let me say, for PH, for ex-serviceman, for para-teacher, for exempted, seats were reserved. They had a specific reserved seat for them. For example, for 10 seats were reserved for para-teachers. For 5 seats were reserved for ex-serviceman. For exempted, few seats were reserved. That is called earmarked vacancies.
Very good.
And rest portion were non-earmarked. That was open to unreserved, SC reserved, ST reserved, OBC A reserved, and OBC B reserved.
Yes.
In the writ petition, my lord, kindly, it was argued, but I would like to open my argument with the one saying, our ancient wisdom has warned us about the danger of the injustice in selection. Adharma pujyate tada vinasha. That means when the undeserving are rewarded, destruction and society of justice is inevitable. Here, my lord, merit was denied, corruption was given priority. Why I'm saying so? But kindly comes to page number 39 of paper book number 1. It was specifically argued that in the writ petition, there was nothing about corruption, there was nothing about panel. But kindly, I would like to refer a few paragraphs only first from the writ petition. I'm just mentioning the paragraphs. Priyanka, starts. It kindly comes to paragraph 39, paper book 1, page 39. I have categorically stated that there was
Paragraph you are referring.
paragraph page 39,
Yes.
paragraph 10, second portion from 31 top. Allegedly, the result was declared, but there was no panel. From the very first day,
Sir, read the full sentence.
no. Your petition said that notification for the procedure
After
was
the
started for appointment 10.
After the notification.
After the notification, procedure was started for appointment from October to December 2016. The interview and verification process started from such and such date. Alleged result was declared, but there was no panel, there was no merit list, there was no category was merit list, there was no division of number, and rank was given to anyone. This is my specific case in the writ petition, my lord. Next, my lord, next paragraph kindly comes to page number 32.
No, what do you mean to say? No panel, I can understand that there was no.
No panel, there was no panel firstly. As per rule 8.5, I will take your lordship to that rule even. As per rule 8.5,
So where is the provision in the advertisement that merit list has to be in
but I'm coming. I'm
separately?
first. Let me.
So do we find merit list in the recruitment rules? Do we find merit list?
The panel in recruitment rules. Panel is there.
Panel is there.
Panel.
Panel is not defined. It is said in anyway. But where do you? This is what sort of I don't understand. What is the allegation here?
Though no panel was ever published.
Very
That is my
good.
first allegation.
Very good. So you can read that no panel.
No panel.
Publication. Very clear.
And rule 8.5 says about category of the panels.
You
that
will
was
come
not done.
to that.
I will not. Next, my lord, kindly comes to page 32.
If you can give me us the paragraph.
But
number.
I'm just
Page
paragraph 11, 12, 13. But I'm just referring the pages. That will be easier without killing time.
32 is the cost title.
Page
Oh, internal page you're saying?
40, page 40, my lord. Page 40.
Yes, yes.
Page 40,
Yes.
paragraph 12,
12.
paragraph 13.
Mr. Tiwari, tell us which one, what, you will elaborate later.
Yes, ma'am.
10, 11, 12, 13.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18. In these paragraphs, my lord, I have categorically stated that there was no panel, first. Second, I have categorically scams. I have categorically stated that reservation roster, which is one of the foundation of the judgment of the Honorable Single Bench, was not followed. These are the major points in the writ petition, my lord. Scams, I have referred to the statements given by political leaders. They have stated in primary selection process, on the last occasion, one of the appellant placed a particular portion before your lordship, stating that 1 extra marks was given to some of the appellants, and by that they got the job. That is a part of the scam, my lord. 1 extra marks was awarded. I have categorically stated that all this thing happened, my lord. Now, my lord, I would like to take your lordship to the selection procedure. Firstly, my lord, definition of panel. My lord, kindly comes to page number 111 of the rules.
Mr. Tiwari, why didn't you disclose that some of the petitioners who are reserved candidates were parties to another writ petition?
That was mentioned
Which paragraph?
in last paragraph. I'm coming.
Paragraph 28 said that you have,
28.
those were completely different. What was the difference?
The difference is that before 28/11/2022, no breakup of score was published. Before 28/11/2022, I had no occasion, the petitioner had no occasion to raise the dispute in a concrete way to produce documentary evidence to show that reservation roster was not followed. For the first time, in the name of publishing panel, breakup of score of empaneled candidate was published. Before that, I cannot raise any question about reservation without knowing the same.
That was published on
28/11/2022.
Yes,
But kindly comes to page number
para 28.
28 I have mentioned, my lord. But kindly comes to page number 111. And page number 112, that is panel, definition of panel. 2L.
Hmm.
Panel means a list of names of the eligible and selected candidates for the appointment as teacher in the primary school published by the board according to the rules. And I'm asking the question to myself, till date, after publication of the breakup of the score, of the specific order of this honorable court, no panel was ever published. In the name of panel, one breakup of score was published. Why I'm saying so, my lord? With this, kindly comes to rule 8, page number 115. Specifically, rule 8.5.
Yes.
Rule 8.5 gives us an idea about how the panel should be prepared. Rule 8.5b, specifically I am placing, my lord. BI, a panel of all selected candidates in a district, namely unreserved.
Where you are reading rule 8?
8B1. Rule 8.5b1. A panel of all selected candidates in district, namely unreserved category, comprising of the name of the candidates belonging to general category and reserved category of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe category, OBC A category, OBC B category, and PH category, serially according to the descending order as per merit, as per existing vacancy, medium wise. As per their number, a list will be prepared in the descending order as per their merit. This is the way a panel should be. Second clause, a panel selected reserved category candidate in council, namely scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC A, OBC B, physically handicapped candidates in the respective category as per statutory reservation rule from amongst the remaining candidates of the such categories, serially according to the descending order on merit as per existing vacancy of the medium wise. Third category, my lord, 3. A panel of selected candidates belonging to exempted category, ex-serviceman category, physically handicapped in a council, separate panels category wise for vacancy reserved for the respective categories. 4. An alternative set of panels of selected candidates for each category in a council, serially according to the descending order of merit as per existing vacancy medium wise. This is the mode of preparation of panel, my lord. If in this way panel was prepared, and I have prepared a flow chart which is appearing at page 137. This would be the, kindly see the page 137 to understand this clause 8.5.